Good evening, everyone, and warm greetings to the pre-Galien Awards committee members and all the friends and supporters of the Galien Foundation gathered at the American Museum of Natural History in New York City. As a physician scientist and public health advocate, as are many of you, it is an honor to return to this forum, albeit virtually, to celebrate scientific innovation and achievement. In 2013, I had the extraordinary and humbling honor to receive from the late Professor Elie Wiesel, a Nobel Peace Laureate and founding honorary president of the Galien Foundation, the Pro Bono Humanum Award from your organization. In 2007, this recognition was first given to Dr. Roy Vagelos, an accomplished drug development scientist and an industry leader, and wisely, the Galien Foundation now continues the tradition by each year conferring the Roy Vagelos Pro Bono Humanum Award. Whether we are struggling against HIV, Ebola, COVID-19, or other challenges to public health, government and academic biomedical researchers and industry are stronger when working together. Our partnerships optimize our combined talents and strengths. Additionally, it is critical for us to team up with civic-minded allies to successfully engage the public in understanding and utilizing our health research advances to benefit the health of individuals as well as that of their families and communities. That is why the presence here tonight of the global film star and humanitarian, my friend and admired colleague, Miss Sharon Stone, is vitally important. What an amazing woman. For more than 30 years, she has volunteered her time to draw attention to areas of unmet medical need, focusing today on the 38.4 million people in the world currently living with HIV. Sharon, thank you so much for joining us, giving voice to our public health advocacy, and adding your star power, your singular beauty inside and out, and your passion to that of the scientific superstars attending this gathering. The public-private partnerships that have resulted in effective diagnostics, vaccines, and treatments to fight our current most pressing public health concern, the global COVID-19 pandemic, are working well to save lives, to keep people out of the hospital, and return some normality to our lives. Yet our work must continue since our control of the global pandemic remains tenuous. Success depends on our ability to stay one step ahead of the virus as it continues to evolve, especially as we enter the cooler fall and winter months and people congregate indoors. But that is why this gathering and you all matter. Each of you is at the forefront of ameliorating and resolving public health problems through scientific discovery. You are doing work that ultimately will sustain and save people's lives. That is worthy of true honor, whether you are nominated for a Prix Galien or are an actual award recipient. In that regard, tonight it is my pleasure to share with you that our friend, Dr. Stanley Crook, will receive the 2022 Roy Vagelos Pro Bono Humanum Award. Last year, Stan retired from Ionis Pharmaceuticals and its board of directors to focus on the nonprofit organization he founded, the N. Lorem Foundation. Thankfully, Stan has been relentless in his scientific pursuits, and his name is now synonymous with his work as the pioneer of RNA-targeted therapeutics. Stan, your dedication to the RNA-driven antisense platform provided a novel, highly personalized pathway to overcome difficult biomedical challenges and ultimately develop treatments for a variety of infectious, inflammatory, and cancer targets. Nearly a dozen antisense oligonucleotides have been approved for clinical use since 1998, and additional clinical trials in areas of unmet medical needs, such as neuroscience, are currently underway. Tonight, you also are being recognized for being among the first in the industry to commit to open science, a key element of the modern R&D enterprise, and to embrace the principle that patients with the rarest diseases deserve the best talents and dedication industry can offer. Untold thousands of people with little hope of a cure may benefit from your belief in the promise of this entirely new class of medicines. Stan, thank you for moving us forward with your passion, your commitment, and your knowledge. Finally, I congratulate the Galien Foundation on your Golden Jubilee. To all assembled here, continue your outstanding work and please enjoy the rest of your evening.